Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to drop a pin and share your location on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to open Google Maps and to drop a pin on any location, your location or like other location, you have just to long press on it. As you can see, I long pressed, and after that it gives me like this screen, and with this screen I can share my location with whatever I want. I can copy it and share it after with anyone that I want to share my location with. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you